Yo babla ya mi benke na kema be ko ngene instance be ko mi fly kemba choko UTV. Ne ngene nke ba gbasa ne sane ne sane mi nko sane ya nukoko sane ya legete shimuntu ba fete nye president na chole na Akufo-Addo Ghana president training gidi mi no Akufo-Addo trainer Akufo-Addo ya ma statue ya nkwale mo jele mu e ama statue e agbele statue na statue na egbele ke ha thank you to ni efe secondary takradi western region ni am ke hani una ke eji ankwale court city fm wana ke am post am ke Akufo-Addo unveiled statue of himself at Ifia Nkwanta Hospital.
We are here at the runabout of Nkwanta in Sekondi. Also in the Sekondi and the Western region. And the statue you are witnessing behind me is the statue of the president of the Ghana, His Excellency Akufo-Addo. And this statue was built for him by the leaders of the Western region to thank him for the good work he has done for the region in terms of development and giving the region what it deserves. That's not what I'm saying. That's according to what the leaders are saying. So I'm throwing the question. What do you think of this statue of His Excellency Akufo-Addo in the Western region that has been built in Sekondi?
President Akufo-Addo has unveiled a statue of himself at the entrance of Ifia Nkwanta Regional Hospital in Sekondi as part of his one-day thank you tour of the Western region. Be ebalake eteada Western region bi ashi hospital ko na chole Ifia Nkwanta ehie agbele statue shimo wo fe wole akeka ba fi statue alo ake statue ba machine ke hanu chumo ko agbe onu chumo na ne chumo fi ofe for no fi no let me say ko 99% alo 98 or 95% complete ke ka agbele ni na commission ka agbele statue na shiene is the other way around. Agbe ko nuchumo na among. Western Regional Minister Kwabena Ochridakun Mensah explained that the statue honors the president's initiatives in the region, including the rehabilitation of Ifia Nkwanta Regional Hospital, the construction of a third-tier interchange, and the redevelopment of Takrady Market Circle. Boy, amali ya comment section ne hamali. Mini jomo ye leken statue ne ni wo man here lo egbele na anima amali ojomo. Amali ojomo.
Where you been now?
Already feel blow. Hey, Ghana be your best buy. Hey, your best buy come. Kwe, ko smona. Ya social media if you na post like a statue here. Boy, ko na picture no rush mo no put the comment section eh. Chale, Ghana like all you need is data. You call na data o mi ba show. Although me ko mo ya me ke nu chumo be ke ni bi ko na data o mi ba show ya. Ni ko mi show na ke depression bashing ojo ep. Kwe, Ghana be ye da. Nibi ni Ghana be you. In ke comment section eh fe maka almost about 80% is the other way around.
It's from the west. Yes.
Ni makane ko ma chon bu ni kenkan. O Friday, no mi bi ba ke bon chomo mi ojomo ye comment section ma le Akufo-Addo statue ne egbele na ne mi ni ji ojomo ye. Shimon secondly bi ekomemi sha mi ejaka me ke to ame feel like Ghana president ne niji Akufo-Addo Nana Akufo-Addo eba chuko nuchumo chon to the extent ake asani lele nchepo femini e ma statue ke hen no ofa wole ake statue le ka ba ma statue e jebo ma statue I stand to be corrected ofa no money call le no ko ye la kan hen educate mo mi ke no followers say comment section e ka wokwe statues no wona afen money afio le statue na ke machine je mo le nche ni fio statue me conclo fio na ke ona mo wokwe Osajifo Dr. Kwame Nkrumah a statue je Ghana pe ye other African countries mine o afi je lelenje po fi imbe sure ke statue po ke ingme po na dan egbo bonu meni fe ni ke hana ke dwerele ke ha enuchumo papa ni ba chun je Ghana pe shin ke ha Africa fe hey pi court na gbele o statue ke ni bi be pi ko me mo be ko me mo ya life ni bia ne wono ni je wo president ya life in social media mi no ni ina oblanuko ni e share ona ni won ke fe video ni post ona e wo ye Facebook menke boko te city newsroom wa na ka me ama me post ye me oblanuko ya share city newsroom post na me fe ni ewie no ko actually bright kojo cove or whatever keke mi onu eke Nana Akufo-Addo dankwa no na ewie no nka no anyi fine je mi nke no na ewie no nka no anyi eke you are the worst president ever under the Fourth Republic and don't deserve a statue or even to be remembered in the history book of Ghana. Noni oblanu na ewie ani okelekpa agbe nlo alo okelekpa agbe comment section ya jeme no chonjomo eke like senior comrade Hannah Confidence Abdul said, Ghanaians should have a referendum to decide if you should be considered a statesman or not. O fine. Mini ji ojomo ye ni oblanu na ewie. Ewo macha no lolo ma read this comment come ehabo. Oblanu ko actually owura kwami nji owula kwami a status a picture ni oje ba omi picture. Eke wow. He really deserved this beautiful statue. My best president ever. Ghanaians will miss you. Father of free education in Ghana. Adod show boy. Jifakoke, Mobutu and Idi Amin will applaud Nana Addo. He has completely outclassed them. Charlie, ni ne padi ewie eminchi Buhamaya next one. Oblaye kona actually hanake such an egoistic leader who is the worst ever to ever lead this our beloved country. This description of statue will be pulled down at the right time. Tawabeni kenye nibini ya noke nibini wonu chwake sekendi bi amemi shame ni PM amiefu ake mini wasani ba fi statue. Ama read the comment ko abo oblaye ko leun actually Christian ake he knows no one will raise a statue for him when he dies, so he is doing it for himself. I am still shocked he couldn't build a university in the eastern region and name it after his father. Wow. Boko nke na oblaye ko actually done ake this statue would be broken down by angry youth in the area. The people will pull it down on January 9th, 2025. Period. Wisdom. I don't blame him. It's not his fault. I blame the very people who killed some even at dawn and at late night just to cast their vote for him. When I don't get back Ghana be internet no. Me bata me keyboard se na bang money be agada e bi enkwe. This is what he wants for himself after abysmal performance in government. He's a typical example of Idi Amin. Idi Amin nyele kaka Idi Amin nyele Idi Amin odewa. Omone ole Idi Amin anu akwa documentary. Idi Amin is very dangerous. Documentary I don't think he is worse than Akufo-Addo is worse than that. No le nyeka ya jeme nyeka wi la kankra Idi Amin ni bi na efe chale anya wi camera ina wa cause mo wa no gogo lawyer YouTube oba na video say few call for riches against that cause controversial arguments cause arguments in social media no men blow men wi men praise le she call majority of the people there comment na me ha chwa ake amemi eshi ame ake Ghana president na ba ma statue o fine amale comment section ngene ba wa bi nya foshi ko ma ba ken na no ko ngene ba pe if you know yo o fine but money no subscribe to our YouTube channel no follow all platform ingbe ji ni ayi aka Kanyobi ola bawo ko ablade abi wo se ko ba pe ola bawo peace out.